So we made a little trip, Silkie Farm wise. We're in our Oklahoma chapter. And tomorrow starts a project of clearing off a bunch of this underbrush so we can start a fence going on the property line there. If you look on that side over here, the sun's going to be a little bit of an issue, but you see where the fence is started here. And then it's going to go back on the property, back this way. So we've had to hire this out to get this underbrush taken down so that we have a clear path for the fence. The fencing and stuff we already have ordered. So yeah, I alluded to the fact that we are in Oklahoma. One of my children and some grandchildren are out here. And we came out to see them and to help them out. But all this fencing's got to go up. We'll get as much of it up as we can this week. And down both sides of the property. And as much across the back if we can. We've got, we'll go out back here in a minute and we'll look at all the stuff that's going to get cleared out. Hopefully all tomorrow, and then we can open up the property and have more useful space. And we're back. So the fence line runs up in that area, maybe 25, 30 yards from where I'm at up here. We have this chicken coop that we built, what was that, 2 years ago?
Yeah. It was July or August of 2023.
Yep, so we built that right after they moved in here. And all of this back here was wooded, and Miss SilkieFarms, my wife Angela, came out here and went to town with a chainsaw and cleared a ton of this out. This was all small trees. Never mind the geese.
Miss Jane. Jane.
And
back here, please.
We have our resident guinea. I don't know, I'm an idiot. Geese. Geese and guineas. Geese and guineas. Geese and guineas. Geese and guineas. So hopefully, excuse me.
Doctor's laughing at you.
Okay, so hopefully a bunch of this will get cleared out so that we can open up the backyard and have it more usable. If we can, we'll record some of the work that's going on, and then hopefully we will have something to show you, a lot more space in the backyard here once it's complete. Sadie, come here, come here, come here. There you go. Come on, ready?
She's sniffing.
So we'll update you once we get the work started on it. We'll see you soon. is one of those rare sightings. Not that it's rare for her to work, she's always working. So I'm sneaking this in. She doesn't like to be on the camera. This is part of our trip to Oklahoma. Working at the daughter's place. Oh, this was cleared this week. Dirt, Dobber, construction, and welding. Shawn came out and did it. All his info will be in the description. Very good company to work with. Worth every penny. Dirt, Dobber, construction, and welding. Out here in Oklahoma. There she is, my lovely wife. At it again. I think she just found her next victim. Making her evaluation, seeing where she wants it to drop. Oh, she's gonna give it a little nudge. Temp her. There it goes. That's a fine woman in action right there.